Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Rex, your friendly neighborhood hacker. Today I'm gonna show you how to exploit Windows 17 by using MS17-010, also known as EternalBlue. Okay, basically EternalBlue is one of the most critical vulnerability in Windows 7. It usually targets the SMB version 1 and also give us the remote access. Okay, so let's get started. So at first, I'll just check my IP. So this is my IP. Okay, okay. I should go to the yeah, so then again we will do a net discovery as usual. Uh, okay, to find the IP addresses of all the devices which is connected to the same network. It will take some time. So it is showing you the IP. Okay. So this is my Windows 7, which is running on a virtual box, and this is my Kali, which is running on a VMware. I can check the IP. So let's check the IP. The 192.168.31.1, it is the router side. Okay, this one is my router side. I cannot check this. I'll check this. Okay, so 192.168.31.0. So let's 33. Zipline potato is not Windows. It is not Windows because it is giving us TTL 64. So always Windows TTL is 128. Then we will check for this. Okay, it is giving us 128, which is that means it is Windows. That means it is our Windows IP, Windows 7's IP. So I just copy this IP and paste it in my because I forget every time we do anything or any exploit or solving CTF, I usually forget the victim's IP. I don't know why, but it's a very bad habit. I just it. Then I just simply SP. As starting of this video, I told you that we will target SMB version 1. So we should know all the port numbers and their for services running on according to that port number. So we will target 445, which is SMB port number. Okay. We will not scan, we will not do full scan because we know already that Eternal Blue attacks SMB version 1, which is service message block version 1. Okay, so we just simply paste IP, we will do maybe what goes and just do MS17 then to N MS17 dash 010 with a name scan 010 scan. Let's scan. Okay, so the scanning are wait for a while. So it is showing us 245 is open. Uh, Again, we will do one more scan, which is map dash en as SCRIP script VUL as well. Again, this IP can be we will save this scan result in uh, worlds MS world underscore MS underscore MS17 010 and txt. We'll do one WT scan script. One is NSS script, is an NSS script. So what is NSS script? Let me show you what is NSS script. In that, it's the uh, it's pinging. So you can see this script. You can read this document to understand what is NSS script. Okay. Just wait for a while. Since it discovering all the so we can make this scan easy. Okay, but let's complete it first as we practice. So for practicing your cybersecurity skills, you can go to the try hack. Let me show the dashboard. What happened to my network? Yeah. Yeah. Let me see. This is the website. This is one of the best websites for beginners to learn ethical hacking or cybersecurity, anything. You can try. You can go to the you, when it was started, 90% lab was were free, but now they made all the labs in premium sections. So, but there are lots of free labs. You can go and check them out. Okay, so you can go to the learning path, and here is all entire module. They have made an entire roadmap to become service. Learn cybersecurity from critical hackers like premier security, security 101, then junior pen tester. For security analysts, you have this. For security engineers, you have this. Yeah, you can check it out. I think our scan has completed. So we'll see there is written somewhere. Okay, look at this. Here, look at this. This is MS17-010 remote code execution vulnerability in Microsoft SMB version 1. Yeah. So we got the vulnerability. Now we will go to MSF console. I like this MSF consoles theme. I really like this. We will search like this. Okay. MSF 17 010. You know, MSF 17 010's another name is Eternal Blue was given by the NSA, National Security Agency of USA. They built this vulnerability to test the zero-day okay, in Microsoft. We will use first one, which is zero. This target this MS17010 target Windows 7, Windows Embedded Standard, Windows 7, Windows Server 2008, and Windows 8 till Windows 10 Enterprise Evolution. If Windows 10 Pro is also having SMB version 1, that means it will exploit it by this. Okay, you can exploit it. So we'll do options. Okay. So we need to set our lhost, lport, rhost, rhost. Already lhost and lport already set, but it was for the latest Kali, and I was exploiting this in my college time, in my college second year. That time we used to set lhost and lport manually. Okay. So first set host, host, which is I just already copy the IP first. I don't remember. I think yeah. I think I have some problem with that. I just need to yes. So our code is already set. We are targeting 445 code. So we will not change this. Neither we will change this. Yeah, we will run. Then we will run. I think yeah, we will get the metafit itself. Just wait for a while. Yeah, we get it. So help. We'll use help to check what commands we can run here. So we can do background conversations. We can kill the background scripts, channel. We can do channels and all. We can do. So we will do this hash stuff. Okay. So just simply we will type hash down. Here we got all the hashes, administrators, guests, John. We will just find the password of John. Yeah, so we'll just first copy this hash and paste it in here. Again, we will copy this hash and simply you can crack the hash by using hashcat or John the Ripper. But one of the best tools I simply use when it comes to crack the hash is crack station. Again, there are lots of tools, online tools you can use to crack hash. But I use this. So first we will copy this and we'll paste it here. Just click on. We didn't get anything. Again, we will copy this. Get get the password. This is the password. So just okay. So we will use this password al alqfna alqfna. So here we got the password of Windows 7 by exploiting MS17 by exploiting assembly version 1 by the vulnerability which is known as MS17-010. We can do something. I think we can webcam also. We can share the screen remotely. Screen share. Yeah, we can share the screen share. Here it is. We can do like SDR, we can screenshot. We can take a screenshot. Just save on here and color, or we can save this here. Okay. Whatever we will do, like we just open this, open touch scan. Okay, or we can do it. We can open Internet Explorer. Simply to open the Internet Explorer. Okay, so here it is. This is how you can exploit Windows 7.0.0. We'll do simply C to exit. Again, exit. I will check this this JPG. Here is the JPG. I will cat. Right. Into file system. Got this screenshot. Okay. So I hope you all like the video. Don't forget to hit like, share, comment, and this video is only for educational purposes. Do not try this with anyone without any permission.